Hey, I'm Trey Crocker from Monrovia. I'm part of the plant protection team, and I'm here with our spring crop of Mandevillas. They make a beautiful accent feature for any of your gardens. One problem with it being so beautiful, the pests think so as well. So we'll often have to fight many pests, spider mites and thrips, but these past couple years we've been doing a lot more work with beneficials. And what that means is good bugs. So we're using good bugs to fight the bad bugs. This has helped us reduce our sprays here, and it actually increases the longevity of how good these good bugs can last. Some of these good bugs are going to be coming home with you. Now, coming with each Mandeville order is a sachet. Now, this sachet will have some of these good bugs in it. It'll be placed about in the middle of your plant. You can place it wherever you want. It does need to avoid most irrigation cycles. It'll be able to run off a little bit, but it's good to be able to put it in a more protected spot. So while we're watering down here, we're perfectly fine without water soaking this. And as part of this, if you order multiple Mandevillas and you say, well, now I've got multiple of these sachets, where can I put them? You can actually bring these inside to your house plants and other parts of your garden, because these will be able to help any part of your garden with a thrips issue. And with these sachets, you don't need to open them or rip them or tear them in any way. There's actually a pinhole in the very back, and the mites will slowly emerge from here. And this sachet actually gives them a protected environment to slowly emerge over the next few weeks. So after about 4 weeks, most of them will have emerged, if not all of them, and you can go ahead and throw this away.